Boiling water, pour directly into the egg. Quickly stir evenly. Put it in the pot, skim off the scum. Cover and steam for 12 minutes. Drizzle with soy sauce, sesame oil, chopped green onion. The taste is delicate and tender. Very delicious. An egg. Stir evenly. Add white sugar. Pour in milk. Mix evenly and remove the bubbles. Cover the lid. Steam over high heat for 12 minutes after boiling the water and simmer for 3 minutes. Really delicious.
A 5-minute quick recipe: tofu with eggs. Heat oil, add soft tofu. Cut tofu chunks, pour 3 beaten eggs, spread with spatula. Once eggs set, add the prepared sauce. Simmer on mid-low till thick. Garnish with green onions. So easy and savory.
Chinese cabbage and egg stir-fry. Scramble for eggs over medium heat until just set, then remove and set aside. Salt minced garlic until fragrant. Add cabbage, carrot and sweet peppers. Stir-fry over high heat until tender crisp. Return eggs to pan. Season with salt, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir-fry for 1 minute until everything is well combined and ready to serve. Simple green pepper egg noodles. Lip smacking good. Combine salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, cornstarch, 1/2 cup water, and dark soy in a bowl. Mix evenly. Boil water, add noodles, cook till al dente, then drain. In another pan, quickly scramble eggs and set aside. Salt garlic, add green peppers till tender. Toss eggs back in, pour in the sauce, and boil over high heat till thickened. Spoon over noodles, mix well, and enjoy.
Crispy cheesy egg scallion pancake, quick breakfast idea. Cook a frozen scallion pancake over low heat until golden on one side, then remove. Add tomato slices to the pan, pour in 2 beaten eggs, and place the pancake back on top. Flip when the eggs set, add luncheon meat and cheese slice. Cook until the bottom is crispy and the cheese melts slightly. Fold with a spatula, cut and serve. So easy and delicious, give it a try. Simple stir-fried zucchini and eggs recipe. Heat oil in a pan, pour in 3 beaten eggs and quickly stir-fry until cooked. Saute minced garlic until fragrant. Add sliced zucchini and stir-fry until tender. Return the eggs, season with salt, chicken powder, and light soy sauce. Stir well until all ingredients are evenly mixed and serve. Chopped washed lettuce, place in a bowl, crack 3 eggs, add salt and pepper, stir well. Spray oil in pan, pour in mixture, sprinkle sesame. Fry it over low heat until the egg mixture sets, then flip it over. Fry until the eggs are fully cooked. Super easy and yummy. Heat oil, pour in 4 beaten eggs, quickly scramble until set, then remove. Saute minced garlic until fragrant. Add tomatoes and stir-fry until they release juice. Add sugar and salt, then mix in the scrambled eggs. Stir-fry on high heat until well combined. Sprinkle with chopped green onions before serving. Shrimp with silky scrambled eggs recipe. The prepared shrimp. Add green onion and ginger, cooking wine, salt, and ground pepper. Mix evenly and marinate for 10 minutes. Crack 4 eggs into the bowl. Add salt and water starch. Chopped green onion. Stir evenly. Heat the oil and stir-fry the shrimp until they change color. Pour in egg mixture. Turn on low heat and gently push. Fry the eggs until they are set and cut them into pieces. Absolutely delicious.
Crack 4 eggs into the bowl. Add shredded onion, chopped green onion, salt, mix evenly. Heat the oil and pour in the egg mixture. Fry over medium to low heat until one side is set and flip over. Fry until both sides are golden brown.
Grate an apple. Add an egg, plain flour, milk. Mix evenly. Brush oil in the pan. Pour in apple batter. Organize the surface. Sprinkle some black sesame seeds. Fry over low heat until both sides are fully cooked. Sweet and delicious. Steamed egg with tofu and shrimp. 3 eggs, a little salt, add 1.5 times warm water. Stir evenly. Use a spoon to skim off the foam. Pour it into the tender tofu. Spread some fresh shrimp on top. Put it in the steamer. Cover a plate, then cover the lid. Steam for 15 minutes after boiling the water. Drizzle with light soy sauce. Sprinkle some chopped green onion. Pour boiling oil and it's done. The taste is fresh, tender, and smooth, very delicious. 4 eggs. A little salt. Warm water. Stir evenly. Filter into a steaming bowl. Cover with a tray. Steam for 12 minutes after boiling the water. Drizzle with soy sauce. Chopped green onion. Pour boiling oil. The taste is delicate and tender. Heat the oil in the pot and pour in 4 eggs. Stir fry until cooked. Pour in shredded onions and shredded bell peppers. Stir fry until fragrant. Add eggs. Seasoning with soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, chicken powder. Stir fry evenly over high heat and it's done. The recipe is simple and very delicious.